Being able to open up the pelvic region so that there's more motility, more movement inside, allows so many wonderful things to have happen as it opens up the diaphragm, which connects to the pelvis, and allows something called Kundalini. That is that life force energy, very often known in orgasm as that sexual energy release. Well, this is all contained here in the pelvic region, amongst many other things. So being able to mobilize this and create energy and movement in here is essential in order to be able to connect also the top half of the body with the bottom half of the body. And so this pelvic bounce works beautifully and can be a lot of fun. Now, Jenny has volunteered to do this with me, and one of the first things that we do, it's often done on a mattress. So we're not on a mattress here, so we've taken a couple of pillows that you can see down here that we've put underneath her, because you don't want to do it on a hard surface, because we're going to be bouncing and moving her pelvis up and bouncing down off the bottom to create energy, to create circulation, to create movement inside. So as you see, we have her sitting here with both of her legs, okay, in this position, okay. Her knees are up, her hands put on the side. So put that just on the side of you. And what I want you to do is I want you to lift up your pelvis high in the air. And then I want you to bounce it down. Boom. Good. Just perfect. And you got a really nice bounce there too. Okay. Okay. And bring it up again. Good. And bounce it. And just get into it. Create the bounce. Feel the fun and the joy. Now, this can open up a lot of sexuality because it will really start to move those juices and open things up. And I want you, maybe you can even visualize some interesting things. That's up to you. But just getting here brings back sensation, aliveness, and movement. And just like that, and you do it for a couple of minutes, you allow yourself to just feel it, experience with it. Easy.
When all is said and done, love is always